Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and that Infinite Craft is updated. This avoids version mismatch. Next, open the in-game map and head to the Xbox spawn or vendor coordinates. Move directly, not exploring other areas. While traveling, prepare currency, coins, trade tokens, and any required parts. Once there, engage the vendor or spawn trigger, readying Quick Select for payment. This immediate setup prevents delays and keeps you on the fastest path to obtaining an Xbox. Once at the vendor or spawn point, follow the acquisition sequence precisely. Choose the Xbox option, confirm payment, and complete any mini-quests or rituals. Make sure your inventory has space and high-priority slots reserved so components land correctly. Otherwise, items may drop or disappear. If you have discount buffs, vouchers, or trade-in promos, apply them before confirming purchase to save resources. After confirmation, watch the animation or loot window closely. A missed click can reset the process, so stay attentive and deliberate. You finish by immediately equipping or inspecting the Xbox in your inventory to verify attributes and durability. If the item doesn't appear, first restart the client and recheck the transaction and loot logs. This resolves many sync issues. If still missing, gather screenshots, transaction ID, and timestamps, then contact support. Submit evidence and describe the steps you took. One key troubleshooting tip: always check server status and recent patches. Many losses stem from server rollbacks or undocumented.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.